Hello guys, if you have been looking for how to grow your small trading capital into a very big one, then you need to watch the video to the very end, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you my ideas on how to grow your small capital trading boom and crash. Actually, this is how I started. I started by growing my $50 capital into over $1,000 in a week, and in 2 weeks I've already gotten above $2,000. Okay, so that is how amazing my story was. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at today. Actually, I've been getting so many messages from people asking me they have small trading capital. Can this trade with small trading capital? Not that you cannot trade with small trading capital, but there are some secrets behind it which I will be showing you in today's video. So I want you to sit tight and watch this video to the end so that you will understand some of the things that I will be sharing with you in this video, so that you can now practice it on your real account. Okay, but first, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. Okay, most especially in the forex niche. And if you are on my platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you practice and perfect whatever strategies I share there on your demo account first before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about my video, or probably want to know more about my trading strategy, or probably you want to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set the notification to all notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Before we go fully into what we have for today, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market so that we get to know what to look out for in this weekend. Actually, this is weekend, and in most cases, most markets are usually shut down on weekend, especially if you are trading the fiat currency. You won't be able to trade today. Okay, you will have to wait till Sunday night or Monday morning before you can start trading again. But this is one good thing about synthetic indices: the market is always open 24/7, so we can still trade today. Okay, so as we can see, this is boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis. Around this section, the market was consolidating within this session, but broke out fully above this resistance level, and that is why it got to this level, and at this level it has gotten to a resistance level. Okay, it got to a resistance level. At this level, if you should check out, okay, you can see that is the same resistance level as this too. Okay, so it got there again, and right now it went down on downtrend. That is why you see the blue line changing to yellow. Okay, even though there is a spike that happened there, but the yellow line is still there, which means that it is still going to go down, just the way it's happened with this, and it still went down. So it's still going to go down because the market is on downtrend. It will have to get to this region before the market can reverse totally. That is if the support level was not broken. Okay, so that is very, very important. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Okay, for crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, as you can see, it's been on a very long uptrend. Okay, it has been on a very long uptrend. We got a buy signal here and got confirmed somewhere here, and this should go for more than 30 minutes if I'm right. Okay, Okay, that is almost 1 hour 55 minutes. Can you imagine? It got to this resistance level, tried to break it but was unable to break it and started crashing. So at the moment it is on downtrend, so trying to see if it can go back on uptrend, but we cannot jump in now because of this gray color. So let's see if it will eventually go back on uptrend. Okay, but at the moment what we can say is it is still on downtrend. Okay, so trade carefully. So let's check out what is happening with boom 500 using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, as you can see, one good thing about the QDC scraper indicator, once you open it, you can easily see the direction of the market immediately. The market is on uptrend, even though it got to this resistance level and started going down. As you can see, it gave us a sell signal across the 4 MA candles here, but at this stage it is giving us an exit arrow. So if you are selling, exit here. Of course, I don't expect you to sell around here because the market started the uptrend here. It started the uptrend there, and definitely it won't get to this level till it will end it. Okay, so presently the market is still on uptrend and you can still be in the market and milk it successfully. So let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. NT indicator says that the market for crash 500 is going back on uptrend. As you can see, the blue lines, so it is going back on uptrend at this moment, and it's just started the uptrend, and this might go for long to some extent before it will start coming down again. Okay, so that is the way it works. I will be stopping there with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And as you can see, in today's video we'll be looking at how to grow your small capital trading boom and crash. But before going fully into it, I would like to let you know that if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That is the only way you can be updated with different strategies on how to make the market successfully. Okay, let's get back to what we have for today. Actually, I'm going to be truthful with you here. I'm going to tell you the facts about this. Okay, I've been getting a lot of messages from people. They have been telling me, some of them will even tell me that they have $5 to trade, that is all they can afford. Some of them will tell you that they have $10 to trade, that is all they can afford. And some will even tell you that they have been losing their money all this while. They have actually invested 5 times into the platform and they have lost all their capital. And if you should ask how much did they invest each time, they have been investing $10. Okay, so $10 times 5, that is $50. Why don't you use the $50 as a I mean from the beginning, so that you will make it easy for you to trade with. Okay, so that is what actually baffles me most of the time. But the issue is, it is not that you cannot start with small trading capital. It is not you guys shouldn't be after making money right from the beginning. You should be after learning the art of trading, so that you will know how to grow your trading capital once you start trading it. Okay, as good as I am, I still go back to my demo account to try out some strategy. I'm going to tell you a short story. There was a particular time I've been making research about a certain strategy. So I was on my phone, I wanted to sleep, and I was like, okay, let me try this out and see if I can. I was checking out a certain strategy and I noticed that it has gotten to where I should enter. Okay, I wanted to try it out. I wanted to get the result before I sleep, so I had to place an order. I didn't know that it was on real account. Okay, and I just placed the order using big lot size, and all of a sudden I just noticed that things were going bad and I was like, what's happening? So I had to check. I was having confidence in myself because I thought it was our demo account, but when I checked, it was real account. I was scared. I was like, wow, I've made a mistake. Okay, so that is it. You just need to try some things out. The main purpose of telling you that is just for you to know that I also practice some of these things before I come online to deliver it to you. I practice it first on my demo account, then I try it with my real accounts to confirm if it also works well with my real account. And once it works well with my real account, I now throw it on my um I try it open on my channel so that you guys can also benefit from it. So these are some of the things you need to know, okay, for you to trade a good, for you to trade your small capital into a big capital. Okay, the first thing you need to know is, one, it is not easy to trade with small capital. I'm going to repeat that again. It is not very easy to trade with small capital. You find it the bigger the capital, the better it is, the easier it becomes. Okay, the bigger the capital, the better it is, and the easier it becomes. You find it very, very easy when you are trading with large amount of money. It is usually stress free because you only need to spend little time in the market to achieve a huge amount of money. Okay, if I'm spending 1 minute in the market using a large account, let's say $10,000 account, I can be making $100 within that 1 minute. But if you are using $10 to trade, you might not even it's not even possible for you to make $1 with it. It's not possible for you to make $1 with it. Okay, so at that stage you want to overtrade. At that stage you want to get more. You'll be thinking of how to trade for long with your small capital so that you can earn more money compared to when you are trading with large amount of money. Okay, so these are some of the things that you should look out for. Okay, that is why you will see some brokers or some trading company, they will tell you that for you to join their platform you need to invest a minimum of $500, because they believe that with $500 you can still do things right. You can still manipulate your way around the market. Okay, but if you are coming in with $10, it is easy for you to lose your money easily. Personally, I will always advise a minimum of $50 to start with. At least with that you can have some confidence in yourself to trade with. Okay, so now let's see what are the things, what are the other things that you should also look out for if you want to trade your small capital with your small capital, before we will now go to the trading platform. Okay, other things are you need to be very, very patient. Okay, for you to trade normally you need you need to be very, very patient with the market. You need to wait for the right time. Do not think, do not do not try something out that you know that it has not gotten to where you should come in. Do not force yourself to trade. If the market is not suitable at that particular time, you don't need to force yourself to trade. It's not even compulsory to trade every day. If the market is not suitable, you stay away from the market. Okay, so you need to be very patient to get to the right stage for you to trade. If you will have to wait for your sell signal to come up, wait for it. If you will have to wait for your breakout action to happen, wait for it. It's worth it because your money is involved this time around. So let's go straight to this trading platform so that I show you some few tips on how you can do this. Okay, when I started trading, I started with $200 and I lost my money. Okay, but I had to invest into some trainings and I invested a lot of money, learned from foreign guys, and at the end of it I was able to gather a few knowledge. I practiced for a while, and at the end of it I started trading, and I started with $50, and in a week I grew it up to above $1,000. Okay, I'm going to share with you how I did this. Okay, it's not very easy. Okay, because then I was using my technical analysis, and like I said, trading with small amount of money is usually difficult. We just have to to say the truth here. Okay, it is usually very, very difficult. Okay, so I had to set my target. I had to make sure I follow the rules. I had to make sure I have enough patience in order for me to know the right time to come in and trade. Okay, and when I did this, I started growing my trading capital gradually and gradually till I'm able to achieve my goal, and that is what led to my success story today. Okay, and how did I go about it? Okay, like I said from the beginning, it was very difficult. I would make some money and lose a little again, but later on I started working within the trading, within my target, and each time I was trying to work within the target, I make sure I set a reasonable target for myself. Okay, so I was now doing it gradually till I'm able to achieve it. But there's one thing I noticed, when the bigger the trading capital, the easier it becomes. So once my trading capital was going above $100, $200, $300, I noticed that I'm now finding it much more easier to trade, because it was very easy for me to trade at that stage. Even if the trade goes against me, I don't even close it, because I was sure that it has broken out. I was using the support and resistance alone to trade. Then I know that it has broken out from the support level, then it should be going up at that particular time. So I was so sure that I would definitely milk the market at the end of the day. So it was, I gained some confidence when my trading capital grew up a bit, and at that stage I started making big money. When I got to $1,000, it was even like a game for me, because I just see it as a normal thing. Just go to the market, pick up a few candles and hit my target at that particular time. So it was very easy at that time. That is when I appreciate the aspects of we starting with big money. But if you can grow your trading capital from small amount of money to big, you even enjoy it better, because you will have passed through some rough moments while you are trying to grow it. Okay, so these are some of the things I try to do. Okay, I try to check out the support and resistance level, and I try to check out the breakout from there, and these are some of the things. But as a then, I was not using any major indicator. I was only using EMA 21 to trade at that particular time. Okay, for those that have passed through my training before, you will have seen that strategy on in one of my videos. Okay, so that is that. But quickly, let me share with you how you can achieve the same aim with this, with this setup. Okay, this is Q, this is creeper indicator. Okay, I'm going to share with you how you can do this on 1 hour time frame. Okay, because on 1 hour time frame, it makes it very easy for you to be sure of the trend, and you can trade within the trend. Okay, this is what you do. Remember, if you are having small trading capital, you don't need to stay in the market for a very long time, and you don't need to use the big lot size. Use the smallest lot size so that you will get used to the market first. Okay, so these are some of the things I check out. Okay, the first thing is on the main chart, you can make use of the signals there. Okay, if you get a sell signal here, you can come in and pick up. You can come in here, let's say we got a sell signal. Okay, this is crash. Okay, for now, being a newbie, you will have to buy. Okay, you will have to buy. Okay, let's say you got a buy signal here. You got a buy signal here, you can come in and buy here. Okay, you can come in and buy here, then you set your take profit to somewhere here, so it's not going to be for a very long time at all, to somewhere here. Before you know it, it will have gotten to your take profit. You look for another opportunity to buy, then you buy again, then you set your take profit. Make sure your take profit is not too far from your entry point. You do this, by the time you do about 10 of this, you will have gotten your your daily targets. Okay, another way to go about it is, okay, the first way is by going using the signals buy sell. So for now, since you are a newbie and you are trying to grow your trading capital, I will advise you to trade the normal trend, which is for crash you only buy. Okay, each time you have the opportunity to buy, you buy it. If you should check here, I placed the buy order here, closed it here. And if you should check here again, I placed another buy order here, closed it here before the crash. I placed another one here, closed it here. I placed another one here, then I closed it again. So that is how I've been doing it. So you guys can also do the same and milk the market successfully, okay, using a small trading capital. Okay, I was just trying to test run it yesterday in order to know how to dish it out to you guys today, okay, using this strategy. Okay, so you can always place your buy order each time you have your arrows for buy. And another thing is, another way to go about it is, when it breaks the 4 MA candles above, then you can come in and place your buy order again and quickly pick up some candles. I mean, not some candles this time around, because it is 1 hour time frame, so it will take a whole 1 hour for a complete candle, or for a candle to be fully formed. Okay, so you just put it a little bit above your entry point. You put your TP a little bit above your entry point so that you get to your entry point, I mean to your take profit quickly. Okay, so you do that over and over and over again. So you can do that when it breaks out from the 4 MA candles too. Then another thing I need to let you know is, even though you can follow the signals on the main chart alone, I would like to let you know that this QDC Creeper indicator is also very, very vital. Personally, I love it when you follow the signal that support the trend. Since the trend is on uptrend, then you should be rest assured that once the trend is on uptrend and the signal is telling you to buy, then you should go into the market and buy immediately and make sure you take profit. Remember, you are still growing your capital. A time is coming when you will come in here, when you will be able to come in here and leave your trade till it gets to your exit arrow. Okay, a time is coming when you will be able to do that, but for now you are trying to achieve 2 things. You are trying to learn, I mean 3 things. You are trying to learn, you are trying to grow your trading capital from small amount of money to a very big one. Then you are trying to develop the confidence in you so that you can trade properly, just the way you should be trading. Okay, there are some other analyses like candle formation and the like that can tell you, that can help you to know if it is going to break a support or it is going to break a resistance, or if it is not going to break them. All these are very, very vital, but for now you can still go on with what, for instance, this is a support level. This region is a support level, and the first thing that should come to your mind is, once the price action is approaching the support level, then it is likely for there to be a reversal in price action. But of course, it can be broken. This support level can be broken below it, and if it breaks below it, then you should be looking at the next support level. But how do you know if it will break or not? The candle formation will help you to know it, to know that. If you should check this out, we are having bearish candle and all of a sudden we got a bullish candle here, which means that formation has actually given us bullish engulfing. Okay, which means that there will be a reversal in price action and it's not going to break that support level. And if you should see it, it's actually went back up. Okay, if you should check it out, it went back up to this level. So that is the way it works. But these are some technical terms that you might not really get properly if you are not having proper education about this. Okay, but your indicators, your custom made indicators, can help you to achieve this easily. So I'll be stopping here for now. I believe you have learned 1 or 2 things with this video, so feel free to contact me if you have any question. My contact details are on the screen. I want you to watch this video over and over again till you are able to identify some of these things I have highlighted in the video. Have this set up on your demo account and practice with it and see if it works well just the way I have explained in this video or not. And if it does not, feel free to contact me so that we will be able to explain together. We will be able to analyze the market together and see if it actually works or not, or what you are getting wrong at the end of the day. So feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen. And also, If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Okay, I will be stopping here for now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.